Hey traders, I hope you all are doing well. So, very quick update here on natural gas, gold, and crude oil. So, without wasting any time, let's do our analysis with natural gas first, as usual. So, right here, what do we have as per yesterday's video? We still got this pattern intact at this point. If you see, we do have an head and shoulder pattern. Now we have this termination zone right here. At this point, if you look at here on currency.com, the situation is different because we already have a completion of this pattern here and market already hit the termination zone. So it's a bit different situation here, but let's quickly go through Wanda first. Now at this point, as you can see, the market is not breaking below 50 EMA. We have a strong pressure here. We have the support level. We have a 50 EMA support that market couldn't break. So looking at that, we can expect a little push up here in this termination zone. And this is the zone from where I want to see an entry reason, something like this, or a pin bar, or 25% candle. So I want to see a hit of this zone here, and I'm expecting a breakout anytime soon. So this is a condition here. If we have a push up, we can have a push up till this zone. I've already mentioned this zone yesterday. We have a head and shoulder pattern, and we do have engulfing pattern here as well on a daily time frame. So we have a bearish pressure at this point. We have taken one buy trade yesterday, a very small buy trade yesterday. That is just a pullback just to get some chunk of the profit while the market is giving us a pullback. So at this point, still look bearish to me. Again, guys, we can expect a pullback in this zone. We can expect a pullback in between this zone, anywhere in between in this zone, as long as we are below the head of this pattern right here. As long as we are below 9.935, this head and shoulder pattern will be valid. If we have a hit of this level here, then in that case, that will become a double top pattern. Let me quickly show you here on currency.com. As you can see, here we have a different situation. And right here, we already have left shoulder, we have head, we have formation of right shoulder. That's a weird right shoulder. So at this point, as you can see, we already got this bearish engulfing candle. That is one of the entry reason I look for once we hit this termination zone. So that is why market push down. All we need to see a break and close below 50 EMA. It can still break and close below with an impulsive move down. Again, if we have a push up as we are above 50 EMA, if we have a push up, we can have a push up in between this termination zone right here if you see in the blue, and we can get a sell entry reason anytime in this area. I have these zones on the charts. Keep an eye here. I'll keep you guys updated with the moves. Let's check gold. Okay, right here, as per my yesterday's video, I've said that we might get an entry reason after the hit of 50 EMA, which we did not. So in that case, we are above 50 EMA, and we might see a push up here. As we are above 50 EMA, we can see a push up till 1769.76, or we can go in between this zone to take sell trade. This is a resistance level from where I'm looking to take my trend continuation trade. As a market is in a downtrend, this might be a pullback before we can see another continuation down. So we can still expect a push up here. We do not have any sort of buying reason, by the way, but market can still push up here. I'm not entering. I only enter with a good entry condition right here with crude oil. So as you can see, as per my yesterday's video, I've said that we have this zone here. And if you know my rule, once the market break and close above the zone, as you can see, this candle break and close above the roll, above the zone, above the roll. So after that, I want to see at least after the break and close of the zone, I want to see at least two green candle that must closed above the zone to see a confirmation that a market is likely to push down. Sorry, a push up. At this point, if you can see, right after the break and close, we got another engulfing candle that break and close back in the zone. And looking at this point, if you follow me, you know this is one of the entry reason. An engulfing candle right here, that would be enough to hit your target using the ATR of this candle is 1.3. We already got a massive move here around $2.4 move. So we are broken below 20 EMA now. If we are closed below 20 EMA, this candle will closed in 3 hours. If this candle closed here, then we can see a push down to 50 EMA, wherever the 50 EMA will be on your charts at that time. If we break and close below 50 EMA, in that case, we can expect further fall to the next level of support. Let me quickly mark that as well for you. Okay, awesome. So right here we got a next level of support, which is right here 86.65 goes up to 88.79. If we have a massive move down In that case, we can expect a push down to this green zone. And if you look at daily time frame, we are also getting a nice engulfing candle. That is also a signal that market is likely to push down. And if we are broken and closed below 50 EMA or 20 EMA, then there will be a very good chance that the market will fall from here. And with that, we also are getting a divergence in the RSI, as you can see, and we might get a double top move. So these are all the conditions you need to look at to take your trade. So that's all for commodity market. Guys, any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you have a lovely weekend. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.